Remote desktop is useful for some users, but for some reason, it may also sometimes do not work and shows an error message that says something like this. If you also happen to experience the same, here's what you should do. Now before diving into the advanced fixes, make sure that the remote desktop is enabled on your computer. So check it by opening Settings, click System, choose Remote Desktop, then enable toggle next to Remote Desktop. Then, click Confirm with the confirmation box. Another possible fix is to whitelist Remote Desktop from Windows Firewall. And in order for you to do this, open Start menu, type in Allow an application through Windows Firewall, then press Enter. After this, click the Change Settings option to modify application permissions, and in the Application Features section, locate Remote Desktop. Then, place a checkmark in the Public and Private box next to Remote Desktop, then click OK to save the changes. Lastly, disable IPv6 protocol. You can do it by opening Control Panel, select Network and Sharing Center, click on the hyperlink next to Connections, click Properties, uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6, then after that, click OK, then restart your system. And those are the following fixes for this error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.